Justice of the Supreme Court, she will bring not only the experience acquired over the course of a brilliant legal career, but the wisdom accumulated over the course of an extraordinary journey. A journey defined by hard work, fierce intelligence, and that enduring faith that in America all things are possible. It's a partnership that brings our federal government together with some of America's most brilliant minds and some of America's most innovative companies and manufacturers. With a brilliant mind, a kind spirit, and a good heart, he has dedicated his life to protecting our rights and ensuring that the voices of everyday Americans are heard. Sonia will bring to the court, then, is not only the knowledge and experience acquired over a course of a brilliant legal career, but the wisdom accumulated from an inspiring life's journey. And when President Ford was faced with a Supreme Court vacancy shortly after the nation was still recovering from the Watergate scandal, he wanted a nominee who was brilliant, non-ideological, pragmatic, and committed, above all, to justice, integrity, and the rule of law. The occasion. But while Elena had a brilliant career in academia, her passion for the law is anything but academic.
And I think that President Obama just provided you with a succinct and brilliant summary of what we discussed.
Just as he's off to an energetic start at home, I think we've had a brilliant start as partners who see eye to eye on virtually every challenge before us. He's not just a brilliant economist, he's someone who has a deep appreciation of how the economy affects everyday people, and he talks about it in a way that's easily understood.
He's a brilliant man, and he pointed out that they got the device of tax cuts, but most of them were targeted to middle-class working people. That's what the payroll tax cut is. That the unemployment benefits were extended, which some of them did not want to do, and that the American people, by 2-to-1, support them both.
It has people who are strong, who are resilient, who are dedicated to the country, who are brilliant, and so as difficult as this period of time is, I am confident that Japan will emerge even stronger than before. When an iron curtain fell over Europe, when the threat of nuclear war loomed just 90 miles from this city, when a brilliant September morning was darkened by terror, in none of those instances did we falter. We endured. We carried.
And
generations of immigrants who, with each new arrival, add a new thread to the brilliant tapestry of our nations. If you're ready to fight for that brilliant, radically simple idea of America, then no matter who you are or what you look like, no matter who you love or what God you worship, you can still pursue your own happiness. I will join you every step of the way.
And as she puts it, we are part of a brilliant planet. We are surrounded by genius. And then there's Richard Saul Wurman, who has, and quite dashing and sassy, I must say, who has spent his career transforming information into knowledge and helping us better understand the world around us.
Right now, there are brilliant students from all over the world sitting in classrooms at our top universities. We know about the young man who met the love of his life at a dinner party, ditching his plans to go to bed early and instead talking with the brilliant and charming Laura Welsh late into the night.